Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzenwood, Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and just had to make a very quick video. If you haven't known, or you don't know yet, or haven't heard, Minnesota planting zones have changed. Now, the Minnesota planting zones range from 3A in the far north to 5A in the Twin Cities and most of southern Minnesota, with some middle areas of the state zone 4A and 4B. But now the Twin Cities area is falling into zone 5A. So basically, you can now potentially grow a wider variety of plants that are typically suited for warmer climates. But still important to choose plants that are hardy enough for our climate. So that is just a quick video. So if you didn't know, Twin Cities is now zone 5A. So now when I design your yard, you will have a larger variety of plants, trees, shrubs, and medicinals and natives. So there you go. Grow food, not lawns. But hey, we still have time to get your yard or property designed before the ground completely thaws out. I know it is pretty warm out there the past few days, but it's still only the middle of March, almost the middle of March, and we have a ways to go. And you're normally not putting plants and trees into the ground until May. Sometime, beginning of May, sometimes even farther along. Just it depends. Because Minnesota has kind of a bipolar attitude when it comes to spring. So you just never know. So be careful with putting stuff in the ground, but just know you still have time to design your property. So give me a shout, Travis at or just go to the website, foodforestdesignminnesota.com, or foodforestdesignminnesota@gmail.com. And there's also a contact form on my website and an 800 number that you can call me, schedule a consultation, and we will talk about what you want to do in your yard and get your yard designed for you. So have an amazing day, my friends. Talk to you soon.